Floatplane safety and insurance, what every pilot must know for safe water operations. Floatplanes offer incredible access to remote landscapes and essential transportation for isolated communities, but they also come with unique risks. From unpredictable weather and water conditions to strict maintenance requirements and emergency preparedness, successful floatplane operations demand extensive training, solid judgment, and the right equipment. Global Aerospace outlines the key safety protocols, operational strategies, and regulatory guidelines to help floatplane pilots navigate safely. Equally vital is the need for specialized floatplane insurance. Given the increased risk of corrosion, water landings, and docking mishaps, comprehensive coverage helps protect operators from financial loss while meeting legal and safety obligations. Whether you're flying for business, tourism, or exploration, combining preparation with the right insurance is crucial for safe and sustainable floatplane missions.